Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today I've got a what did you buy Wednesday, and I've got a couple of shout outs here. First of all, I'd like to thank longtime viewer Bruce. I appreciate you, buddy. Thank you so much for giving me the heads up on this one here. Bruce contacted me earlier in the week, and he let me know that Ollies was having their, they got restocked basically, and they got some great kits here. I picked up a couple of the Jaguar XK E-type cars, one of my favorite cars. Fast and the Furious, Dom 71 Plymouth GTX, another cool vehicle there. A couple of the newer body style, I think that's 5th gen Camaros, very cool, in the Synergy green there, those are really nice. Old 56 T-Bird, and a 32 Ford Roadster, which I also want to shout out Ron Stewart. There's a deuce for you, buddy. Also, guys, I forgot to mention, get on out to your local Ollies and try and pick up some of these kits if you're interested. I'm really impressed with them because, at $12.99 you really can't beat it. That's a fantastic deal, and we need to support these guys to make sure they keep bringing us some good kits. If you're new to the channel, or if you find yourself coming back and checking out my videos, please consider subscribing. I'd sure appreciate your support. So alrighty, this is Model Car Guy Rich out. Thank you all for stopping by. Check it out, just a quick video. I'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.